Hello, are you guys with me? The network went off. Are we back?
I can hear you.
Yes, the network went off before. Can you see the screen?
I can see the screen.
All right, let's hold on for others to join. So, all right, let's move on. So, before I got to this place, all I did was I clicked what, look at it, control access, activate control access. From control access, I was able to get to what? SMS setup. So once you click on your SMS setup, it will load this page for you. Click here, put just your phone number, put 234, then your phone number. I've already added mine. Once you're done with that, you click what? Send. Okay. Once you click send, the next thing you need to do, go back to that same menu, click on control access, click on set alerts. Once you click on the set alerts, you come here, select trading machine, click on advanced key level, click connect. That's all. We are done configuring the So the next thing we're going to be doing is what? To load the pair. Are you guys following me? The next thing we're going to be doing is to load what? The pairs. We're already done what? Configuring what? The app so that we can be receiving notifications. So before we move on, any questions so far before we go into the signal aspect? Hello, any questions so far?
No, sir.
No question.
Yes.
All right, so let's move on. Let's move on. So the next thing now, it is very simple. I'm going to click on this menu. As you can see, I have access to all the platform and they are all what? The same thing. Okay, so we're going to, since we are using majority of us is for synthetics.
I'm not seeing the screen again.
Okay, just hold on. And this network is messing us up.
Okay,
Can you
I
see
can
the
see it
screen
now. I can see now.
All right, very good. So since majority of us is from synthetic, are using it for synthetic, so we're going to be using this. We're going to be using the synthetic menu. Do you understand? So are you guys following me?
Yes.
All right, very good. So I am going to click on the synthetic menu. It's very simple. Look at it. Well trade synthetic. All you need to do is just come here, click this. Click what? Look at it. Retracement promas. Now, this retracement promas will help you what? Load your pairs so that the system will be able to monitor it and send you notification. It's as simple as ABCD. So I'm going to click on this. I've already loaded mine, but I just want to show you how it works. All you need to do, I'll just delete so that you see it plain like this. So this is how it will look like on your own device. Just click the blue button that is showing load. So once I click load now, everything will come up. Look at it. All the pairs has been loaded. So what the AI will be doing, it will be picking each of these pair to check if there's a signal, profitable signal, and it will notify me. Do you understand? Now, if you're the kind that doesn't want to trade all the whole pair, you have your own specific pair that you want to be trading, you can use this delete button. Just click it, you delete the one that you don't want. Look at it. You can just click delete. I've deleted one. I can click again. I delete. I can click again, and so forth and so on. But me, I like trading all the whole pairs, so I'll leave it the way it is. Is that understood? This is just for you to load the pairs, and you only do that once. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you guys following?
Yes.
All right. So now, the next thing is the most important of them all. Every other thing is the software that is helping us to do it. The next one is what we call the resistance and the support level. That is why I said you must know how to trade first. You must have the basic knowledge before you can use the software. The software can only tell you to buy and sell, but you be the one to filter it out to check if price is close to resistance and support. And it's very simple. I'll show you that. It is very, very simple. Now, let's take, for instance, I've loaded this pair and I got a notification like those ones I showed you guys. Like this one just came in now. This is what News Alarm Chef is telling me to sell. All I need to do, are you guys following me? All I need to do is tap on, just click on the notification. I'm going to click on it and it's going to load me to the notification page. Now, as you can see, this is the page telling me what to sell. This telling me strong, describing the signal for me, but the basic thing is that it's telling me to sell. All I need to do is screw up. Since this one is Forest, I'll screw up and click. Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay, very good. All I need to do, look at it, we have different portals here. If your notification is coming for Forex, you click here to check if price is close to resistance and support. If it's coming for synthetic, which is you guys, you just click here. If it's coming for derivative synthetic, you click this one. But for the sake of the example that we're doing, because we have not gotten any synthetic signal yet, so we're using Forex, they are all the same thing, the same template and all that. So I'm going to click on Forex inbuilt chart. Underneath it, you see a window will come up. There are two ways you can access this inbuilt chart. One is through the notification, and the second is through the app. But through the notification is very simple. Once you get your notification, just tap it. It will bring you to this page. Now, let's assume now it's telling me to sell News Alarm Chef. All I need to look at it, very simple. Click here to select the pair. Let the pair match what this one you're seeing here. So I'm going to change this now to what News Alarm Chef. I'll come here. Look for the pair. Where is it? Look at it here. Now, as you can see, both of them are the same thing now. Can you guys see it? Are you guys seeing it?
Yes.
All right. So the next thing I need to do is click load so that once I load it, this name will change, will match this one. So I'm going to click load. So immediately I click load, as you can see, the name has changed, meaning that I've loaded this pair on this chart. This inbuilt chart. Then the next thing I need to do for me to know if price is close to resistance and support before I can take this sell, I need to click settings. Once I click settings, now you see some buttons that is going to appear, which is the weekly key level, last week key level, and last 2 weeks key level. That is what we are going to be working with. The current weekly key level, the last week key level, and last 2 weeks key level. The purpose of this is that before we can take our trade, we must make sure that there is a space between the current price with the next key level. If you can get it right, your accuracy will be tight because the software will tell you when to buy, but you use this one to filter it so that you will not buy close to a resistance or sell close to a support. Is that understood? Is that understood? This is the most important. Yes, this is the most important aspect. Okay, because if the software tells you to buy, you just go and buy like that. You're buying blindly. You can just go and buy when price is already close to a resistance. You get stuck there. So with this inbuilt chart, you'll be able to know if the price is close to a resistance or support. Are you following?
Yes.
Hello. Okay, now since we've loaded our pair, the next thing now is for me to check the current weekly key level, which is the WL. I'm just going to click it. It will generate a line for me. Those lines I'm going to look at it. Look at the lines it just generated. The red is the support level. The green is the resistance. While the purple, the other line, it can be a support, it can be a resistance. Now, the aim of this is to make sure that there is a distance. Look at this line here. Look at the current price. So there is a distance from here to here. So there is a distance for me to take this trade for the first week. The first week has passed my test because there is a distance from where the price is to the next line. As you can see, there's a distance. Hope you guys can see the distance. There's a distance that price is going to drop down to this place. So there's enough distance for me. Are you guys saying it? Very important.
Yes.
Are you saying the distance?
Yes, we are seeing.
Yes.
Okay. Now, since we've done this, we've seen that there's a space where the price is to the next key level, which is the support level for this current week. We're going to do the same thing for last week. Let's see if there's a space too. I'll come here, I'll click on WL1 and see if there's a space too. I'll click, as you can see, there's a space for me. Do you understand? There's this space here. Look at it. There's a space here. The price has not touched this level. There is this space. Number 2 criteria has gone. Then the third one is to check 2 weeks key level. I'll click on WL2. Once I click on WL2, if everything goes well, as you can see, I cannot take this trade again. You can see there's no space to the next key level. Hope you guys can see it. You see the difference? There's no space. Hello?
Yes, there's no space.
Yes, because the price has already hit the support level. Yes, whenever you see stuff like this, that means there's going to be a pullback or there's going to break that level. And what we do here, the reason why you see our results is so powerful is because we follow the rules. We don't want to get into a trade because when price tend to hit a support level, it's a 50-50 stuff. It's either it break it or it will reject. We don't want to gamble with our money. We must make sure the 3 key levels, there are space. There must be space. But with this now, there's no space here. This one has cancelled the whole signal. It's only when the price now break this key level. Once it break it and come down to this place, and the subsidy tells us to sell, we cannot sell because there's a space. This is very, very important. If you don't understand this, even if Jesus Christ should tell you go and buy, you will still lose money. But if you understand this, you reduce the chances of you losing money in the market. Please ask question. You must understand this. Now, you are not doing any analysis. Your own job is to get the signal from the software and check if price is close to resistance or support. Now, as you can see, we tested it now. Week 1, which is the current week, there was a space. Last week, there was a space. Last 2 weeks, there's no space. So we cannot take this trade. Is that understood?
Very well.
What about everybody should contribute and say something so that we know that everybody is flowing. Number 1, I said is in. What about you? Do you understand it? Because we're going to be taking trade tomorrow. And you'll be receiving notification and you do it yourself with your money. Is it clear for others?
Yes, it is clear.
Speak your mind. Now, this is a one-time training. That's what we are doing. We're not coming back to this. Are we good?
Yes, it is clear.
All right. So now, since we've understood this, the next thing, was he going to repeat the same thing that we just did now with the app so that you know where to navigate? Either you get your stuff from the inbuilt chat from notification or you get it directly from the app. But through the notification is very simple. It's the same thing here. So I can easily come here, click on Forex, click on trading chart. I will still get the same thing. Can you guys see it is still the same thing? All I need to select my pair. Do you understand? Load. I'll still get the same result. The only difference is that this one is more wider because it has its own space. You understand? Why that came with the notification. Do you understand it? They are all what? The same thing. Is it clear? So it's either once you receive your notification, you log into the app, or once you receive your notification, you just tap the notification, it will take you directly to this page. So once this is clear, then I'll click home to take me back. So the next thing is our risk management. For those that are using WellTrade, look at the risk management we have. Can you guys see this risk management? Can you see it? Can you see the risk management?
Yeah, we are seeing.
All right, so I'm going to click it. It's very, very, very simple. Very simple as ABC. So I'm going to click it. All I need to, let's say the software tells me to buy flip 3 and my equity is just $50 and it said we should buy. All I need is just click buy. Now this is your stop loss. This is the stop loss you're going to use. Are you following me? This is what the stop loss you are expected to use. This is the stop loss you expected to use. If it tells you buy, you put buy here. If it tells you sell, you put sell here, so that it will help you generate your stop loss. And this is the lot size you expected to use, 0.01. Do you get it? 0.01. And your take profit might be any of the key level, or if you know you are okay with the profit, or when the software tells you to close. We'll go back to that place again. There's a place when you've taken on your trade, you go back to that place. You cannot hear me. Somebody said he can't hear me. Can others hear me? Someone said he cannot hear me. But you guys can hear me now.
I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you now.
Someone said he
Loud.
can't hear me. So the
We
training
are
is
hearing
all
you loud and
all
clear.
right. All right, very good. So now this is where you get your stop loss for well trade. Then this is your lot size. Very important. You must understand risk management. Else, you're going to lose money. Do you understand? If you use a lot size of $100,000 account or for $1,000 for what's it called, $50 account, because you want to make fast money, you end up blowing your account. So it's either you come here to use the lot size that the system will generate for you, or you know how to map out your risk management yourself. But this is for the newbies who doesn't know anything about stop loss or lot size allocation. Just use this menu. That is that for that. Why for those in Forex, the same thing, click on FS Tools. Click on FS Tools. Look at it. Click on FS Tools. Once you click on FS Tools, click on Risk Management. Once you click on Risk Management, the same thing, put your equity. It will generate what? The lot size for. So you're expected to use what? 0.1 for a $1,000 account. Simple as what? ABCD. Okay, so now how do we tell the software to notify us when to close our trade, or when the market is going against us, we should close it? Now let's take, for instance, let's use this notification. For instance, this is odd chef. I'm going to click it. Now it's told me to sell odd chef. If I've checked, okay, let's just do experiment again. Let's check if we can take this trade. Odd chef, I'll come here, I'll load Australian chef. Where is it again? Where is it again? I'll click here. I load. Once I load, I'll come here, click on settings, WL. As you can see, there's a space, WL1. As you can see, there's a sweet space, WL2. As you can see, there is a space. You can see?
I can see. Can see Priscilla.
Can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Like
Yes,
as I
we
was
can hear you.
saying, as you can see, the 3 weekly key levels, we have what? Space. Do you understand? We have space. So now that we have space in the 3 key level, all you need to do, go to your MT5 and place the trade on your MT5. Once you're done placing the trade, you come here. For all portals, you see this thing, be it Forex, be it World Trade Synthetic, be it Deriv Synthetic. Just click here so that if the price is going against us, it will notify you when to close. Even if you're in profit or loss, once it notify you, please close. So all I need to do is just click on this. Once I click on this, you see Bekenet Smart AI exit plan will notify you when to close odd chef sell. I'll click OK. So once I do that, I'll click my history to see the list of pair that is pending. As you can see, it's only one pair that the system is watching for me. Now, he has told me to buy, and he's still watching for me when to close. Do you understand? That is everything you need to know about what? Bekenet Trading Smart Trading Software. Do you understand? That's everything you need to know. So if you have any question, you are free to ask me before we call it a day.
Okay,
Feel
good
free.
evening. Good evening.
Yes,
Please,
yes.
my question is, are we going to be on the system every time to check, to see when it's advising us to close, when it's advising us to take signal?
Okay, number one.
How do we manage that? How do we manage it?
Yes. First thing first, the AI runs on your mobile phone, and I believe everybody moves with their mobile phone. Anywhere you're going to, your mobile phone is always in your pocket. True or false?
True.
Yes. And the system works in such a way that if there is a notification, your
I'm not hearing you again.
So, like I was saying, can you hear me now? Like as I was saying, if there is a vibration, if there's a notification, your phone will vibrate, just like the way they will send you a WhatsApp message. You receive it, even if you're doing anything, you receive a message, pam, 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 that there's a message, true or false?
True.
True.
So the application, we don't use system to trade, just with our smartphone. As you can see, as I was talking to you, there are notifications coming in. If you look at this one, 6 minutes ago, can you see it at the top there? It's written 6 minutes ago.
I
Notification
can't see
just
your
came.
screen. I can't see your
You
screen.
can see my screen. Hold on, let me share it again. Hold on. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me swipe down. These are all my notifications. Look at it. Can you see this one 7 minutes ago? Can you see it? So you don't need to be checking up and down. So long your notification is working, once the alerts come, your phone will vibrate or it will make sound. Do you understand? Like me, I have 3 phones. One is for Forex, one is for well trade, one is for Deriv synthetic. So if one is ringing, I know that the signal is coming for well trade. If Forex phone is ringing, I know that it's coming from Forex. Do you understand? So this is how it is. So you don't need to be checking up and down. It's just like a simple notification and alert. If they send you a WhatsApp message, you don't need to be checking your WhatsApp all the time. Once message comes, you will see it. It will pop up. That's the way it is. Does that answer your question? We don't sit down in front of the system. I can be in the marketplace, in a busy place. My phone will just vibrate, and I'll know that the notification is for me to take a trade. All I need to do is just tap. Once I tap, check if price is close to the stand and support. Then go to my MT5 and place the trade. So, sir, does that answer your question, sir?
Yes, yes. That's the way of
Yes.
assessing it.
So next question.
Yeah,
Feel free. Yeah.
I have a question.
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, during your activation process to the
Yes,
system, I lost out. If you you did not hear my voice again for some time. So I ended up at when you said click back, red thing. That was where I lost out. So I just came back to meet you, analyzing how we can fix the
Okay,
trade.
now.
Yeah.
Let's.
Hello?
Let's go back to that place. Can you hear me? Let's go back. That's the last stage for that's the last stage for the notification. Let's go back. You understand? It's not difficult. Okay. So let's go back. Let's go back. Just hold on. So this is the menu. Can you see me? Can you see the screen? So
I can't see.
you can see the screen.
No.
Okay, hold on. Let's share it again.
Okay,
You can see
now.
it. Yes. Okay. So this is where we stopped, right? Hello.
Emma is asking a question, and you were the one that asked the question.
This is where we stopped now. To click back, right? Hello. The person that asked the question, are you not here? Are you not following?
Emmanuel.
It's not there. Another question, please. Once it comes, we'll continue from there. Let's not waste time. Another question,
Hello, sir.
please.
Yes, sir. Okay. My question is, so if we do the analysis and the signal tells us to buy, and we go
Yes.
to our MT5 to place the
Yeah.
trade, which time frame are we using to place the trade?
Okay. That's
I don't
another
know if you
question.
understand.
Yes, that's another question. Okay. What like before we started, I said is an AI a trading assistant? Do you understand? Or a signal provider?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you
Yeah.
now.
You are
Now,
back now.
like I said, it's just like a signal provider. It's just like you paying me money so that I can be generating signal for you. Now, you don't know how I did my analysis. All you are after
Yes.
is that you want me to tell you whether buy or sell. That's what the software is doing. As you can see, notifications are coming in. That's what the software is telling you. Go and buy. The software has already done its analysis. You don't need to bother yourself about that. Your job is to just go and place the trade on your account. That's all. Do you understand?
So we can place the trade on any time frame.
Placing a trade on any time frame has nothing to do with the market price. If market price is, look at it, if market price is 100, let me use the number as example. If market price is 100, if you switch to 5 minutes time frame, it's still 100. If you switch to daily time frame, it's
Okay.
still 100. True or false?
True.
And so you don't need what's it called time frame before you place your trade. Immediately the system tells you to buy. He has already done his analysis. It's just for you to go to your MT5, open your chart any time frame, anywhere, so long you're seeing the price. You place your buy or sell. Okay? Time frame is for those who want to
Okay.
do analysis
Okay,
with
sir.
their trading view and their chart and all those stuff. But you are not doing analysis. You're not going through that part. The AI has already helped you cut those corners. Do you understand? He has done the analysis. He's telling you to
Yes.
go and buy just for you to go to your MT5 and place your buy or sell. Simple as ABC.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Is
so
this still confusing
I have a
I've
question.
gotten it, sir. Thank you.
you? All right.
Hello.
So, yes, go ahead.
Okay, so
Good evening.
you have
Hold on. One after the other, please. Go ahead.
okay, you have explained about stop loss, how to place our
Be
stop loss.
audible,
Okay,
please. Be audible.
yeah, I'm saying you have explained how to place our stop loss, and I want to know. I don't know if I missed that. If you had explained how to place our the key level to use for our take profit.
Okay, it's very simple. Let me share the screen. It's very simple. The key level can be used as your stop loss. It can be used as your take profit. But it's very simple. Let me show you that. Let me share the screen. Let me click on any of these notifications. Just watch. Can you see the screen? Can you see
Yes.
it? Okay,
Yes.
so I'm going to click on Forex. It's going to show here. So let me just select any pair. I've clicked this, click load. Now, for me to get, let me click settings first. Now, for me to get the price of all these lines that you see, if I tap it, you see the price. Can you see the price?
Yes. Yes.
You see, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, now, for me to get the price so that I can paste it on my MT5, all I need to do is click on this, look at it, calculate KL, which means calculate key levels. Do you understand?
Okay.
So I'm going to click
Okay.
it. Another menu will come. It will tell me calculate WL, which is the current weekly key level. So once I click it now, a window will appear at the bottom here. Look at it. This window, as you can see, it's telling me the pivot point. Market price is 200 and something pips away from the pivot. Resistant one is 120 pips. So if I want to take this as my take profit, all I need to do is highlight it. Can you see I've highlighted it? I
All
copy
right.
it, go to my MT5, put my horizontal line, put it there. you get the same line that you're seeing here.
All right,
Okay?
makes sense.
Yes.
All right,
Is it clear
thank you.
now? Yeah, the
Yes.
same thing with forex, the same thing with well trade, the same thing with derivative synthetic. They are all the same thing. So with one, you'll be able to master. Okay. So next question, please.
Okay. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Please, sorry, I was left behind during the time of that installation.
Okay.
Where you say that I should, is it take device? My own was not. I click on it, but nothing came up like that. Your own.
Okay, now the issue about that, those of you, listen, it's very simple. Those of you, after this, you try it yourself. If you try that it doesn't work, that means you've turned off your notification through your browser. Do you understand? You've turned it off. All you need to do, open your Chrome browser, go to settings, click on notification, then you enable it. But once you've done it, it's still not working. That's where you now send a WhatsApp message to me, call me on a video call, share your screen, then I'll be able to guide you on how to do it. Okay? But for now, you just have to try it out from these videos and what we've just done now. As you can see, there is notification just coming in.
Okay.
So the network is messing me up, okay? But at least we are progressing. Any other question again? Any question before we call it a day? Everything that we need
Good
to
evening,
know.
sir.
Yeah, good evening.
So it's just quite unfortunate. I really appreciate your effort. It's just quite unfortunate that some of us hooked up into the network late due to one stuff or the, like me, I'm just coming back from work. I don't know if there's any way you can just do a recap, maybe within 1, 2, 3 minutes. Not everything you said, but just a kind of recap so that we could hook up to everything you've done.
So where did you join?
When we were still doing installation, how to install it. Like me, I've installed it today and I got the message that my notification is on. That is where I
Okay.
stopped. But I came to discover there's a place to say we should snap this thing, open the app, snap, and send to you on WhatsApp. I don't even have your number on WhatsApp, so I don't even know. That is where I stopped. I've installed the app, worked on the notification. But where it say I should load my synthetic spray, I think I've not seen it there. So I think maybe that's where you need to help me out.
Hello, you said you don't have my number on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
My number, you sent me a message. That's why I was able to add you to this group. And my number was the one that was written on the screen, the day of the training.
Okay, maybe I will need to check back. Check back.
I'll still drop the number. I'll still drop the number in the group. Now, the reason why I said you should just screenshot your first page is for me to know that you have the app already installed with your email so that we can activate it. We only activated 7 persons. And that 7 persons.
I've not done that part. I've not done that part. I'm going to, that's what because I saw your video where you said we should activate the synthetic page, but I cannot go beyond that point. So I'm going to do that.
Yes. So once you're done with that, send me an email, then I will activate the remaining ones, put you on a special group, separate group entirely, so that we can be trading tomorrow and practice what we've just learned. Simple. We'll do it for 3 months. After the 3 months, if you want to subscribe, that's when you subscribe. By then, you must have made good money. Do you understand? Then if you want to start trading by yourself, you can do that, do your analysis yourself. But here, we don't do analysis. We only take signal from what the software is telling us. Simple as what ABC.
Okay, sir. So we are still, the boot camp is ending tomorrow. Will you be in the class tomorrow?
No. I've gone back. I'm not around.
Okay.
They'll be the one to teach you everything you need to know about forex. I myself, I'm teaching you how to use the AI to take trade. That's all. So you just combine and use it. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any other question before we call it a day? So the rest of you who have installed the app on your phone, sign up, screenshots, send me your email so that we can activate 3 months for you. Then I'll add you to the group where we can be dropping signal. Do you understand? This page here is for training. Probably tomorrow again, we'll still do another training because we have about 58 persons here. We only have 15 attendees here. So the training is going to be like maybe 4 times. Then we're done. Do you understand? So that's how it is. So if you have any question, feel free to ask before we call it a day.
Oh, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah.
Well, I know it's unfortunate because I did not follow up right from the beginning. Just like the day of the seminar, I came late. So I just know if there is a way that maybe a video after the lecture can be saved so that some of us can watch from there. No, I don't. This is my first time of into trading, so it's a bit difficult for me.
Okay, fine. This is your first time of trading. You understand? Did you attend the boot camp that they are doing?
The boot camp in
And that means you cannot use the software now. Do you have any basic knowledge about trading? Have you opened MT5
you,
before?
you, you mean the one on Saturday?
Not the one on Saturday. We're having boot camp Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
No. I did not
Okay,
attend.
another question again. Have you opened MT5 before?
This is my first time of. I've opened the MT5, but this is the first time I'm using it.
That means you need to go for training. Now you have the opportunity for a free training. Now that one is going to cost you money. If you go to any academy now, they should be charging you nothing less than 200.
If you are in New York, that where they are doing the boot camp, those guys, I think they are charging 50,000.
Okay, but for now it's free. For now it's free.
For the boot camp, the 3 days is free.
Yeah, after the 3 days, they will charge you money to do that. So just look for a way because you cannot just come into and start trading. No, it's not done. You need to know the basic. This is a software that help you analyze. There are a lot you need to know first before you can use the software. Is that understood, sir?
Yes, sir.
So look for a way to find the boot camp and attend the last one. Maybe you can talk to the instructor there. They can take you online, but after that, they will charge you money to do that. Do you understand? So you cannot just come into trading like that. No, you need to know some things that they are going to teach you. Okay? So that's
It's
that.
okay.
All right. So any other question again? If no other question, let's call it a day. So between the week again, I'm going to fix another training for those who missed out. Then we'll do it for like 3 times. By then, everybody must have been trained. Then for those of you who have the app, just simple screenshot, send me your email so that we can activate and add you to the group. So by tomorrow, once signal start coming, I will drop for you guys so that we'll make money together. Simple as it is. Just fund the accounts, then we'll do it together tomorrow. Thank you very much. I think no more questions, so we could call it a day. So I'm going to post another day when we're going to be having another training like this so that others will follow. Is that okay?
Okay. Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
All right. Thank you very much. So I'm taking this off now. Stop the
Hello.